Hi everyone, welcome back to another drawing video. Today I'm going to be drawing All Might. So it's from his fight with Nomu, I think. So he's got that white shirt on. It's close up on his face, as usual. Thing about All Might is that he's got these dramatic shadows that go down like the side of his face. So we'll give it a go anyway. So middle, come down about halfway, maybe, yeah, just about halfway, maybe a little bit higher, just a tiny bit, and we're going to draw in his eyebrows, right? Because you can't really see his actual eyes, it's just shadows. So we'll start with his eyebrows. So we're going to start here, right in the middle, just like that, with two curvy frown lines, just there. Then the eyebrows, one comes out that way, one comes out that way. They're pretty similar to one another. Curve around, comes up to a point, comes back up to there, and then this comes back down towards his brow. In there's like kind of hatching lines, but it's just, I think, to show the lines, the hairlines of his eyebrows, to make him look really hairy, because they are. We have a straight line here. That is not a straight line. We have a curved line for just like here, and then this comes up, and then this one comes up. Then we'll close that off just here, pointy at the end, and then we'll add those hatching lines in there again, just there. Then he has just a bigger frown line up the middle, and then two on this side, little lines like that. And then this side of his face has most of the shadow, so we'll just simply do his eye on this side first, curves up around underneath, and all there's black. And he's got just a little line for like a bottom eyelid shadow just there, and a line for the side of his nose just there. So then he has his nose coming down just here, down the middle. So straight line down there with a V at the end, up like that. Then a line that comes back down here. And then this comes back in, so a V again, comes up the other side, and this joins a big shadow that's on the side of his nose. So this shadow comes all the way down the side of his mouth, comes back up the side of his head. So starting at his eyebrow, we'll draw a line here, and then this comes out towards his cheek, and then this will come back down to here, and there's like a section of skin just here, but we can join that together, and we'll do it bit by bit, because we can see some of his nose here, right? So down the middle of his nose, straight line, and then just a nostril in there, but we can't see the nostril on this side because of his shadow. So we'll make these darker, start putting in some of these shadows step by step. So real dark in here, pure shadow, cast shadows. It makes his face look more dramatic. I'd say that's why they did it this way. So see what I mean? Real deep dark shadow. And then this will come down around and underneath his eye, like that. With maybe a little section that we can see, that's skin, and the rest of this is dark. So the section that's skin is just here, comes down, comes back up. So that's skin, so that's left white. The other shadow comes down this way. It's coming around his mouth. It'll come back up. This is the tricky thing about All Might, getting the shadows right. And then this comes back in towards his eyebrow and up to here. Of course, this is dark, so we'll color this in real dark, okay? His eye is black. Dark, dark, dark. So you can see what I mean. Severe shadow, real dark. Right. So then his mouth, real big, smiling as usual. Comes across the top lip, just there. Comes down, curves around both sides. Of course, remember, you feel free to slow this down. You can just pause, play, pause. And this comes across the bottom, just like that. You can join them or leave a gap. It's up to you. Teeth, big pearly whites. Then he has just some lines on the side of his mouth, just here. And one, just a little one just in there. Just a little shadow just here. So this is like dark, just here. Now, so before we tackle the rest of the shadows, we'll get his jaw in, right? And his ears. So coming down from the side of his mouth, his head is kind of tilted up, so his ears are pretty low. His jaw is here on both sides. Those two lines, and then this will come in towards his chin on both sides. It comes in this way, and then we have his big chin just down here. Real chiseled features, yeah. And his ears then are just here. That's his earlobe, and then these will curve around to the top, just in there. Do the same on the other side. Curves around, just up to here, back in, and down. This one comes down a bit as well. In there, of course, you have all those bones and ligaments, those kind of lines. And same on the other side. Now we can tackle the shadows down here on his chin and his jaw. So simple one, just over here, make this a bit darker, bit of a shadow down here, just coming across his jaw. Just coming in here. And then there's a shadow that comes across the top of his chin and the bottom of his chin, so like comes around this way and just comes down under just there. So, and then there's more shadow here, so we go up that way. This comes up and touches his mouth just there, and then this will come up around his jaw, follow that sort of side of his face just there. In there is a light section of skin just like this, and then kind of hatching lines just in there. Finish the shadow on this side, so it comes up just to his ear, touches his ear, the inside of it, just there, and then comes down then towards his mouth, just there. So now we'll color in that section black. So here, and this comes up towards his ear, just here, little bit of skin, showing skin just there. So it's that dramatic shadow, comes all down his face, and it'll go up his forehead as well towards his hair. So what we will do is draw his hairline in first to make it easier for ourselves. So coming from his ear, we just zigzag sort of hair going this way, and then this will start to come around and go the other way, coming all the way down to there. And he has shadow on this side of his forehead. This is the darker side, this is the light side. So this shadow comes up from his eyebrow just here, and on this side also, just up here, and then all in there is dark. Right, so that's his face. So then he has those characteristic big pieces of hair that stick right up the middle. So coming from here, we're going to travel up right to the top of my page, just there. They're real big. And then this one travels back, comes down to about here, kicks in a bit, and then we start the other side that sticks out, comes up. This one's shorter, comes back into there. And of course there's like a dark shadow part just here as well, so it's like a thick line. Touching that shadow, comes up and gets a bit thinner up here. And then there's just some lines just for hair, just there. Right, so we'll do the other one. This comes up, same on the other side. Real pointy. Comes right up to the top. And then it will curve back down. Just to there. Then we have the one on the other side. Comes up. And then comes back in. Just there. Sort of lines for hair, just traveling down that. No shadow on this side, because this is the shadow side. So, and then we'll do the hair that is at the top of his head. So just in the middle of that, you'll do just those bumps that represent the top of his hair, just here. And then there's some lines that sort of come in just to there to show hair. And this hair will come down to his ear. So it comes all across, bumping, coming in, all around, under the back there. And then the same on the other side pretty much. Coming up and around his head. Do some lines in towards the top, and you'll just join it just in there. Now, so he has big shoulders, so it stops just here, and he has some hair just behind his neck, but we'll do his neck first. Coming down from his ear, right at his ear, both sides. Neck muscles, real big. A line that comes down then towards the middle of his neck on both sides. There's a dark shadow here that's on this side of his neck, and there's a shadow under his chin. So we do a line here, a line here, a line for the shadow, just here, and we fill that in dark. And then we've hatching lines in that My Hero Academia style. So coming down maybe here. Of course you don't need to add these really, I'm just doing it because I enjoy doing them. And then, so he uses traps. Just there. Thick shadow on this side of his neck, you just make this line thicker. Bit of a shadow coming down here on this side, just make that thicker. A little bit under his ear here. Lots of shadow on All Might. Some hatching. Collarbone. Boom. Collarbone. Boom. Up and across, just like that. And then he has this big shadow that's here, so we'll draw that in. So it comes down that way, and then diagonal towards the corner of your page, and in there is all black. So then just a few more hatching lines just in there, and then we put his hair that's coming down from behind the back of his head. So these sort of stick out. It's kind of like a mullet kind of thing. Coming back in this way. See that? And here. Same on the other side. And maybe just some lines, just give it a bit of character. So he's got a tattered shirt, it's all ripped. Coming around here. Just a squiggly line, you can do it anyway. Don't need to worry about it. And then it comes back up this way. And spiking up around there. And there's just some little bits that are like folding over, coming over that other side of that shirt. Not essential, but gives a bit more detail, I guess. So we'll just finish his shoulder coming down here. Just a bump there as the shoulder starts. You can see some lines for his chest muscles just coming through the shirt there. He's pretty much a tank. He's huge. And there's a line for shoulder just here. And then various hatching lines. There's actually a dark shadow here. And oh, his chest just coming down the middle here. And he's got sort of scratch marks, you know, from his fight, just kind of all over his neck and stuff. You can add, of course, as many of those as you'd like. One there, there. But there he is, All Might. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.